In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your pages and objects in Anytype using space sharing and export options. If you need to send information to someone else, Anytype gives you two simple ways to do it. You can either export a static copy of a page or object, which is great when you just want to send a finished version, or you can invite someone into your space so they can collaborate with you more directly. In this walkthrough, I'll show you both options so you can choose the one that fits your situation best. To begin, open Anytype and navigate to the specific page or object you want to share. Make sure you're on the exact item you want other people to see, since this helps avoid exporting or sharing the wrong content by mistake. Taking a second here to confirm the page is especially useful if your workspace contains multiple related notes, tasks, or documents. If your goal is to share a static copy, go to the top right corner of the page and click the three dots menu. From that menu, select Export. This option is ideal if you want to send something that won't change after it's shared, like a final document, a reference note, or a snapshot of your work at a specific moment in time. Next, choose the file format you prefer, such as PDF or Markdown, and save the file to your device. Once it's saved, you can send it directly to anyone using your usual method, whether that's email, messaging, or another file sharing tool. PDF is often a good choice if you want the layout to stay consistent, while Markdown can be helpful if the recipient wants a more editable text-based format. If you want to collaborate live instead of sending a static file, click on your space name in the top left corner. This opens your space settings where you can manage access for other people. This option is best when you want someone to join your workspace and interact with the content more dynamically. From there, select members and then click Invite. Anytype will generate a unique invite link or key for your space. Before sending it, set the access permissions for your guest so they have the appropriate level of access. This is an important step because it helps you control what your collaborator can view or do inside the space. Once the permissions are set, copy the invite link and send it to your collaborator so they can join your space and view the page. That's all it takes to share your work in Anytype. Whether you export a file or invite someone into your space, you now have a quick and practical way to collaborate more effectively.